Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to search projects in GitHub. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Google Chrome, but it's the same process on any computer and browser. What you need to do is just come on Google and type GitHub. Then you will see the first option, GitHub official website github.com. Click on top and it will come to this page right here. What you need to do is just find at the top right corner, search GitHub, and here you'll search for the project that you want to see. So for example, I will put username or test, so test just for example. And here you will see related things with this search. To filter by project, you just need to come right here and click on the language that you want to see. So if you want to see a project on Java, click on top. If you want to see a project on Python, click on top too. Here you can also search by code, comments, issues, discussions, and so on. If you want to search project, search the name of project right here, and you will find your project. So that's basically how you can search projects in GitHub. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.